For number 3, we're trying to graph r is equal to 4 sine of 3 theta. So make sure that your calculator is in polar mode, make sure it's in degree mode. Under your window, make sure your theta min is 0, your theta max is 360, and your theta step is 1. For the x min, x max, y min, y max for this one, I'm doing -4 to 4. So x min, I have at -4, x max, I have at 4. So this is just the window that I found to work the best for this particular question. But it's not an exact science, so you could use -5 to 5 if you wanted to. So if you go to y equals and type in 4 sine of 3 theta, and then graph it, we get kind of another cool graph here, and that'll be our graph. For number 4, r is equal to 2 theta. So here, I've done this before, and we actually need quite a large window. So x min I want to be -1000, x max 1000, y min -1000, and y max 1000. And if I go to my y equals, which is now in r equals, I'm going to type in 2 theta. Again, the variable key, instead of pressing it and it comes up as an x, it comes up now as a theta. And if we graph this, then it should look like this. So it's like a spiral. Again, these have really cool names, so definitely take a look in the book at all the different classifications that they have.